My dear daughter, we come to the end of a long way. Over the years, you became aware of the fact that these messages would be read beyond your small circle of intimates, hence, the current scarcity of your comments. We have insisted enough on this point. There is nothing to cut out or to modify in these writings except the usual editorial corrections. With due respect to critical spirits, these messages are to be taken as they are presented. We remind you of this particular aspect from time to time so that it remains present in your minds. Do not lose your spontaneity. You are not in front of a contest jury. You are not producing a literary work in the strict sense of the word. The advantage of these messages lies elsewhere. It is up to the readers to understand. In this matter, judgment is not a manifestation of the ego. We once again want to reassure you. Let your heart impulses show. The Indians, contrary to the Westerners, can appreciate this expression of being. See what Kabir wrote. Is it not unique in mystical poetry? Do many authors open up as he did? Continue to think that our contacts are secret and that they will remain so. It is the best way of proceeding. Thus, you will find the natural behavior which must be preserved in this particular relationship. Babuji. The medium says, Babuji, I seem to have my wings definitely cut. My ears can hear criticisms, in spite of me, even those which are not expressed aloud. I hope my love impulses will eternally remain between you and me. I will then be able to indefinitely sing your praises and without any limitation. Forgive me, but I cannot do otherwise any more unless you change my heart at your convenience, since it belongs to you. Same day at 10 a.m. Bonds are created from life to life and bring certain beings together without them sometimes understanding the intensity of the relationship. This principle of reincarnation is a basic concept which was concealed by certain religions that care little about truth. This wheel that turns repeatedly brings back to earth beings that must continue on a way until they are released from this constraint. An incarnation can take place for the noble goal of helping mankind in its difficult search. These mission in charges have to experience all that their brothers must endure. Noble souls are constantly eager to serve. Is it their main characteristic? Sooner or later, earthmen will have to free themselves from this heavy debt which shows down their evolution. The planet Earth continues its evolution according to the rules established. Its complete mutation takes place slowly, though the pace accelerates year by year imperceptibly. It is true that a new race is being born, which, vibratory wise, will be more harmonized with the planetary context. It takes centuries for the positive aspects of this slow rotational movement to be perceptible. Through our way, you are in this upward movement which characterizes the beginning of the century. Babuji.